Hi, I hope you are doing well. In this short tutorial we are going to learn how to insert speakers in Blender. The software allows us the possibility to put some sounds in our scene. Depending on where our camera is located, we hear these sounds loud or quiet. Let us see how that works. Add a speaker. Press Shift+D to copy the speaker and put it at some distance from the first one. We are going to insert a sound. Put the camera close to one of the speakers. Click play.
Hi there. Hello. Hi there. Hello.
We hear both sounds, but one of them is louder.
Hi there. Hi there. Hello. Hi there. Hello.
The volume could be adjusted in timeline.
Hi there. Hello. Hi there. Hello.
Thanks for watching.